Good morning. It's like 11:30. There's this really weird van parked next to me. I mean, I wasn't gonna start it off like this, but it keeps distracting me. It's like this really weird green van next to me, and the whole rear window is like duct tape and clear plastic, and I can see someone moving around in the back, but I don't want to look because if I've learned something, it's usually I don't want to know. I gotta stop looking. I don't want to know. They happen to park next to me. Um, yeah. Went to the thrift store this morning. There wasn't anything. Pretty boring. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just the duct tape blowing around. I don't know. Now I'm thinking it's just the duct tape blowing around, but I can also be wrong. Work was pretty okay yesterday. It wasn't that bad. I didn't really mind it. Something to do, and made enough money that food and gas for the next week don't really matter. Yeah, let's see. Oh, here we go. It's rainy AF. It's actually not rainy anymore. I was gonna do like a rainy ASMR type video. It's not rainy anymore though, so I enjoy the rain. It's peaceful. I'm glad it's not snow. If it was snow, that would suck. Living in a trailer, but having, I guess, just like nice things, I guess. Or like living in a like crap hole apartment, but then like a lot of my stuff isn't gonna be nice. A lot of it's just more like why you just like tons of video games and just tons of stupid stuff that it's like why do you even have those things? Because I don't intend to like buy a new TV or buy anything. I'm not buying anything other than like cheap furniture from the thrift store if I got a place. And then whatever I have will just be like locked in a spare bedroom. Because, I don't know. Even if I got like renter's insurance or whatever, none of that stuff covers even. It wouldn't even cover. It wouldn't even cover just like the video games or anything. So it's just super worthless. Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably get my gun clean, and there's like a world where this is, it's the only gun that I have. I can't really purchase a new firearm because I have a conflicting, medical thing that makes it so I can't currently purchase firearms. But if I have like an apartment or house or whatever, I'm probably gonna get it like professionally cleaned, and then I don't know, see what they can do with it. I don't know, trick it out maybe. Sounds dumb. The pit bull in that RAV4. Yeah, I don't know. I feel it. I definitely would prefer to like have my firearm with me in a lot of ways, but again, my anger issues don't really facilitate that. But if I'm at the house, like I said, like nobody should be messing with me. Like, and it's not like I'm going outside or anything. Like, for any event with my firearm to take place, it would be like oh, you came in my house, because it's, I'm not going outside. But if anything, going to someone else's house. Yeah, then I would never leave the house with it. I just choose not to, and I don't have my TCW. I think you can open carry like a week or 2 weeks ago, whenever I got the GameCube case, which I think was literally last week. Again, not good with time. The guy in the it was a hood, like it was a very hood Goodwill, and he seen I had the GameCube thing. He's like, "Oh, cool, GameCube case," and he had like his pistol on his hip because I'm pretty sure you can open carry in Ohio, but I choose not to. And again, like I'm generally on my medication. I don't want nobody to I don't want no issues, so it's just one extra problem for me to have if I had it with me. Okay, next thing. Yeah. Yeah. Imagine needing everything but having to be like selective. Like imagine feeling like you need everything. Like I don't know. Like feel like you need like a new car and a house house, and then like you need a couch, and then like you need a TV. And you feel like you need everything, but you can't really have anything. You can't really have anything. You kind of just have to like go with the bare minimum on everything. I think there was more of a point to that, but I kind of forgot like the impact of it, and I didn't really write it down apparently. Work was fine, in parentheses, easy money. It's not Amazon, but it almost pays like Amazon, which is nice. Because sometimes like we're just like hanging out, like kind of light work sometimes, which is nice. Yesterday was pretty easy. My back was kind of sore, but I haven't really done anything in 2 weeks. I didn't sign up for the third. There's like third shift overtime, but it's not. I don't really understand it, and the person I asked didn't really explain it to me very well. I didn't know if it was like the entire 8-hour shift, and like was it those days? Was it 4 hours? Like it wasn't very clear what it was. So I was like, I'm not doing that. Part of it was I didn't understand what it was, and then the other part of me was like, yeah, I didn't want to do it. I kind of want to see what's up with this apartment, but we'll get to that. It didn't go the best, I guess. I'm guessing Saturday will probably be a mandated day anyway, because like we haven't worked in a while. So we'll probably be and I'll volunteer even if it's not like a mandated thing. And this just says not wanting to do something because I'm indecisive, because I didn't really know what to do, so I didn't really do it. I called the people, and I have to go and get a physical application, and she said I need a bank statement, so like I have to go there to Worcester, get a physical application because their website is broken, which is dumb and annoying. So I have to go there, get a physical thingy. I'm just gonna go there, I guess Thursday morning after I hit the thrift stores. I'm gonna go there, shower Wednesday night, thrift stores early in the morning. I'll be done with the thrift stores by 11. I'll go there, do a physical thing or whatever, and then hopefully, she can help me with whatever. I used the I'm homeless card. Didn't really get any traction with that, which wasn't very helpful, so I probably shouldn't even use that. I said it was like 25% of my income, but like my check stubs aren't going to look exactly like that because there's been a lot of holidays and stuff, so it hasn't been a consistent $600. So there's that. Yeah, I don't know. If that's not good enough, then I don't know. So like I say, I'm just gonna go there when I can, because again, it's like 50 minutes, like 45 minutes for me to like go to Worcester, like, and I'd have 45 minutes back, to come back to work. Yeah, not great. And then she said, as long as I'm being like, okay, so I was like, so does it matter if I'm gonna be up all night? And she's like, no, as long as you're being respectful. And I'm like, I don't like that. Like, even like, what's that mean? No TV, no games tonight? Like, I hate open interpretation things. Like I'm a mind reader, so basically, if I anger people living below me, I'm bummed and I'm gonna lose my $60 deposit. It says no partying, but like, what does that mean? Like, again, it's annoying. Yeah, like, what does that mean? Does that mean if I'm like up at 3-4 o'clock in the morning, like playing Tarkov, like whacking keys on the mechanical keyboard, or like I'm like, oh, I yell a curse word or something at night, like they're gonna say something, or if I'm like playing on if I have my TV on and I'm watching movies at night, or if I'm like, I don't understand. I have yet to be in an apartment or a hotel that had good insulation for the wall to where you couldn't like hear the people next to you. Like, legitimately, like, I don't know what else to say. Like, I haven't lived anywhere that like you couldn't hear the people next to you. So like, I don't know what that means. Like, I wanted more to know more. Like, these old people living next to me. There's a bunch of people with kids. Nobody had anything to say about it. So I don't know. It's kind of annoying. Because I don't want to lose my $650 deposit and then be kicked out in like 2 months or something. And I also hate the fact that like I'm gonna have to live, and be trying to be super quiet. Like I hate that. I hate like trying. That's something I've said before. Like living in a box, dude. Like can't make any noise. Like I'm kind of hard of hearing. Like what? I can't watch TV. I can't watch movies. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna be able to watch movies at like a listenable noise. Because the action's always louder than the talking and just everything, dude. So I assume it's just gonna be an issue. But I'm still gonna go there on Thursday and try on a fly, I guess, even though it's super annoying. Part of me, I mean, okay. I don't know, man. I don't even know if I should even be worrying about it. It's like the hood, basically, or whatever. So we'll just see. But for sure, like, I had already thought about it where, like, if I get the apartment and, like, the house or something pops up and I got the money for it or whatever and it seems like a really good deal, then I'll just tell them, like, hey, I'm out of this, basically. Yeah. But, I'll try and get, like, a heads up or something. I don't want really to go against my credit. That's another thing, too. Is like, I had one apartment and it didn't go against my credit because, I paid a deposit and then I paid a pet deposit and all that totaled out to be, what what the carpet was worth at my apartment or whatever. So in the one room that my dog ate well, not the entire carpet, but she ate pretty big portion. Yeah. I don't really mind. I mean I was annoyed at it, but at a certain point I just cared about my dogs. Yeah. That's yeah. I try not to think about that too much anymore. It just just that one. My ex didn't get it, man. Like she doesn't get that all my animals have always had like this really like crappy tragic story, and I finally like had my dog, and she wasn't well socialized and everything else, but still my dog, and she got rid of her. I don't know, dude. It went from like I had like a friend, and then like I had like a girlfriend or like someone that I thought I was gonna be with for a long time, and then like we just weren't really, I don't know, together anymore. And then we were just sleeping together, and she was still kind of helping me. I don't know, yeah. And then she just like turned on me super heavy. Yeah, I don't know. And then she like as soon as she was like talked about getting rid of my dog, I was like, I'm cutting you out of my life completely. You are a toxic person, and I hate you. Because she got me the dog, and the dog was like a little, like right about like slightly over a year old. Was how old my dog was. Yeah, and I had that dog since she was like 9 weeks or something, 10 weeks or whatever. So however long, I forget what it was, but yeah, like since she was a puppy. So that just yeah, that was like the last thing, man. That was just I don't know. I didn't let it completely destroy me, but it definitely like I hate her completely. Like I hate her so much completely. I'm never gonna get that dog back. I'm never gonna be able to like make that right. Like I don't know. It bothered me because I was like, if she would have just held on to her for like 6 months or a year or something, I'd say I would have just bought like a piece of land and then like built the dog like dog house and whatever and like a cage, and I'd have just started like working from there. But like I didn't have like an option, or I would yeah. There's just no option. She was like, I'm getting rid of the dog. You can't take the dog right now. I'm like, okay. Yeah, that sucks. My diet's not working. I guess I'm dehydrating myself maybe, or I'm just stressed out all the time. I'm not sure. But yeah, my diet sucks. Yeah. I'm tired. I don't feel very good. If anything, this kind of made me sad because I started thinking about my dog. Yeah, I miss butt. Tiny butt. Annoying butt. Pain in the butt. I miss my dog. But, about to move forward and get another dog, which sounds, it's like, I thought it was like my kid or my family member, so it's not like I can just get another dog. It's like that dog's gone. My best friend was gone. Yeah, it sucks. Lots of things in my life suck. I kind of just have to like take them in stride and move forward the best that I can. I ate breakfast. Not like I had to. I don't even want to eat. Yeah. You ready to go to work again? I didn't find anything at the thrift store. I was surprised because the thrift store was closed yesterday, but they were working inside, so I thought there'd be good stuff, but there's nothing. So maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow's Wednesday, so I'll shower tomorrow after work, and then go to town on Thursday, try and get the apartment application because I want to get off the streets, but I also want it to be very convenient. I want it to make sense, but if you can't make it make sense, then I don't know. I guess I'll just keep doing this, which is not fun, and I hate. So yeah, I don't know. I just do I do this to myself because I hate myself so much? Like, do I make everything so hard on myself because I hate myself so much, or do I think I'm right? So I don't know. Like, I don't know why I put myself through the things I put myself through. Like, I feel like there would be easier ways. I don't know what they are. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow I'll have some other points or something. But everyone has a good day. I've been kind of like, I don't really know what the tags do for the video, so I was just throwing like homeless and factory worker and all types of like BS, right? And then I think I switched my category a little bit. I switched to entertainment for yesterday's one. And I switched it back to like people and blogs. I'm not really sure like what these things do. I'm just trying to like, I should probably look it up on Reddit. I should probably like, actually put in some effort into like figuring that out. But I'm more just like, as you learn as you go. I'm like I say, I'm very slow to learn things. So yeah. Hope everyone has a good day. See you guys. Be safe. Have fun, but be safe.